Everybody. Grade 4s, you've made it. This is your very last spelling test of the year. How do you feel about that? Probably excited. So here's the deal. I'm going to go through the spelling test. I'm going to give you one sentence, and then you're going to be done. And then you can send me a picture of your spelling test and be done with spelling until next year when we start spelling again. All right, so ready? Number 1, ruin. Ruin. Be careful not to ruin that beautiful piece of paper with the water. Ruin. Number 2, choose. Choose. Please choose your seat wisely. Choose. Number 3, cruel. Cruel. It's cruel not to be caring of others, especially animals who can't speak up to for themselves. Cruel. Number 4, shampoo. Shampoo. You use shampoo to wash your hair. Shampoo. Number 5, June. June. We are in the month of June. Number 6, conclusion. Conclusion. At the end of your essay, write a conclusion to your thoughts. Conclusion. Number 7, whose. Whose. Whose pencil is this? Whose. Number 8, wait. Yep, number 8. Schoolroom. Schoolroom. I'm in a schoolroom. Schoolroom. Number 9, who? Who? Who do you want to be? Who? Number 10, few. Few. There are few things in this world as exciting as ice cream. Few. Number 8, through. Through. Please walk through the doorway carefully. Through. I think I said that it was number 8. It's actually number 11. Number 11 was through. Sorry, it's number 8 on my sheet. Yeah, number 11 was through. I said 8 because I'm looking at the numbers on the screen. All right, number 12. News. News. Maybe one day I will be on the news. Hopefully it's for something good. News. I'm sure if I was on the news, it'd be for something good, but you know. All right. Number 13, duty. Duty. Students often laugh when I tell them I have supervision duty at school. Duty. Number 14, truth. Truth. Always try to live your life in your own truth, which means be true to yourself. Truth, who you really are. Number 15, junior. Junior. Where I came from, elementary school was called junior school. Junior. Number 16, wound. Wound. A wound is what happens when you get a cut. Number 17, clues. Clues. Follow the clues to find out where the prize is hidden. clues. And number 18, shoes. Shoes. Please put on your shoes and get ready for recess. I miss saying that. All right, guys. That's the end of your spelling list for grade 4. Let's start on the sentence. Okay, so for your sentence, I'm going to say the sentence 3 times. Once regular speed, once teacher speed, and once slow like a sloth. All right, let's get started. The sentence is, there were a few people on the news who have birthdays in June. There were a few people on the news who have birthdays in June. There were a few people on the news who have birthdays in June. All right, that's the end of your spelling for this year. I know we'll pick up our spelling next year. I am just adding this to the end of every spelling video. I really encourage you to do some writing this summer. Now that might sound boring, but it's not. One thing that really helped me when I was younger, when I was going around grade 4, going into grade 5, was starting to write. Maybe I would just write a couple sentences every couple days. And I love writing now, but it wasn't always the case. Writing is something that you do need to work at to become comfortable expressing yourself that way. But once you've learned how to write and express yourself through writing, it feels wonderful because you're free to communicate with people in a new way. Now, spelling is part of writing, and the more you practice writing, the easier your spelling will get. So practice some writing this summer. You still have a few weeks left, or a couple weeks left of school, so you could practice some writing during your couple weeks of school. But I hope over the summer you can do a little bit of writing, whether that's keeping a journal. You could journal about your summer. What do you do? Where do you go? Who do you see? Or maybe it's as easy as I'm just trying to think, what else could you write about? You could write stories, you could write news, you could write like news about your family. All of these things are awesome, and when you save them and you look back at them, it gives you a little bit of a window into how you were feeling. So I was reading my school journals from when I was in elementary school, and it was kind of cool to see that version of myself again, because I'd kind of forgotten what she was like. Anyway, have a beautiful day, everybody. I won't see you for more spelling because that was the last spelling test, but you did it. Great job. Make sure you send me a picture of your spelling test.